Good morning, Matthew. Today is Friday, January 22, 2021. How have you been? I hope you are doing well and that you are ready to have a fantastic Friday. So we are going to continue working on your IEP goals. Matthew, today we will be going over goals 4 and 5. So for goal number 4, Matthew, we are going to be finding the mean when given a set of numbers. And you may ask yourself, what is the mean? So the mean is the average or norm. It's when we add up all the values to find a total. And then we divide the total by the number of values you added together. So here in the bottom, they're giving us an example. Here is our set of numbers, right? So the way we do it to find out the mean is we are going to add all these set of numbers together, which would give us 72. And then it says we have to divide the total by the number of values you add together. So then this 32, you're going to divide it by how many numbers there are here. So we are going to, you can count. Right now they're telling us that there are 7 values, but they won't tell you. So you would have to count to see how many numbers you have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then that's when you get your total and you divide it by 7, and whatever answer it gives you, this is considered your mean. So in this case, the mean is 4.57. And that is what we're going to practice doing today, finding the mean of these data points. So if you can please take out this worksheet, it is called Find the Mean sheet number 3. We will be doing 2 together and you will be doing the rest on your own. So this is our worksheet, Matthew. Don't forget to write your name and the date on the top. And make sure you get out a calculator, that we will be needing it for this activity. Okay, Matthew, so we're going to start with number 1. If you can see, we have our set of numbers here, our total here, and then our mean here. So here they're giving us our set of number in the first question is 14, 30, and 22. And they already gave us our total. Our total is 63. And you can add the numbers if you want to make sure. Plus 22 equals 66. And then remember that we find our total first, and then we divide our total by the by how many numbers we have here. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So now this is our total. We're going to divide it by 3 and we get 22. So our mean for the first set of numbers is 22. And here on the side, I am just going to do my strategy. So we're going to do 66. So here we're going to put 66 divided by 3 equals 22. So that is what we're going to be doing for the rest of our questions. I'm going to continue with number 2. So our next one is, our set of numbers are 31 and 27. So let's get our calculator, and we know that we have to add those first. So 31 plus 27 equals 58. So our total here is 58. And now what we have to do is get our total, which is 58, and divide it by the amount of numbers we have here. So we have 1, 2. So we're going to divide this by 2. And equals, so let's get our calculator and let's put 58 divided by 2 equals 29. And our mean here is 29. And that is what you are going to be doing for the rest of the set of numbers, Matthew. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I am always here to help. If not, once you are done with this assignment, we will continue to work on goal number 5. So for goal number 5, Matthew, we are going to be talking about giving the correct and appropriate amount of change when purchasing different items or objects. So to begin with, we have to know the value of coins and dollar bills. So here we have a penny and we know it's worth 1 cent. The next one are our nickels and they're worth 5 cents. Then these are our dimes, they're worth 10 cents. Our quarters, which are 25 cents. Then we have our dollar bill, then we have our $5 bill, our $10 bill, our $20 bill, our $50 bill, and our $100 bill, Matthew. And for goal number 5, it is going to be a bit different, Matthew. We have gone over this, but I will do it one more time. We are going to be working differently on goal number 5. So you're going to go into Google and look for boom cards. You're going to put boom cards in Google. And then it should be this right here. And when you click on it, it is going to take you to this page. And you will click on student. You're going to click on student and it should bring you to student login. You will click on sign in with Boom. And then here you have your username and password. Your username is Matthew_Mejia 123 and your password is Mejia 123. So that's what you would put here. Matthew_Mejia 123 and your password is Mejia 123. And you sign in. And when you sign in, it's going to take you here. And you're going to click on coffee shop, cashier, vocational skills, and money management. And when you click on it, it is going to bring you to a cafe. So for this worksheet, for this goal, Matthew, because it's not a worksheet, you're going to be working online as at a cafe. And you will be attending customers and giving them their orders, providing appropriate change for them, and handling money. So you would click on the arrow and it tells you your to-do list, what you have to do, and as you click the arrows, you can move on.
I would like to order 1 hot chocolate, 1 cup of tea, and 1 cupcake.
When you get to this part, she is your first customer. You can click on her again to hear her order. So you can click on it, and as she's telling you what she wants, you can click on the items so you won't forget.
I would like to order 1 hot chocolate, 1 cup of tea, and 1 cupcake.
And then here on the side, you're just going to write what she wants. And then you're going to put the price of each thing. So we know that is a cupcake. A hot chocolate is $3. And you will do the rest for the tea and for the cupcake. Okay, let me do it. Tea is 2.25 and our cupcake, which is 2.25. And then you have to get your calculator and add how much her total is going to be. So we would put $3 plus $2.25 plus $2.25. And our total is $7.50. So $7.50. Then you can press open, or you can do the arrow, whichever one is best. And here she's telling you how much, this is her payment, this is what she gave you. And you have to add how much it is and put how much she gave you. So this is a $5 bill and a $2 bill. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and this right here is a 50-cent quarter. You might not be very familiar with it, but they are still around. Very rare, but are still around. So know that this right here is a 50-cent coin. So here our total is $7.50. You put your $5 down, you put your 2 and your quarter, and we move on. So here they're telling you payment received. So how much did you receive? $7.50, because that's what she gave you. And how much was the total? Her total was $7.50 as well. So then how much change are you going to give her? Are you going to give her any change at all? No, good job. So you would put 0. But say you were to have needed to give her change, you can move these bills and place them right here. But in this case, there is nothing, so we will just move on. And then at the end, all you're going to do is give her her hot chocolate, her tea, and her cupcake. And you submit your answer, and you were correct. And you will move on. You will do this 3 times, and then you can log off, and I will see how good you did in your first day and your job. So once you do this, you can just put save and quit. There's a lot of customers. Do not do all of them. Do 3 to 4. It's lots of fun. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. But please don't do all of them. That way we can have for next week. And once you are done, you can just press save and quit, and it will save your work. And it says your progress right here, and you can just log off. And that is your last goal. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Matthew. Other than that, once you are done, don't forget to submit a thumbs up in Teams and submit your goal number 4 assignment. After that, you are good to go. I hope you have a good rest of your day and that you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, Matthew. Bye-bye.